Hello everyone, my name is Paul Manjali and this is the project that I've created. So let's start by creating a new workspace. Here we can provide the owner name and the email. So this email I've connected to GCP, then provide a workspace name and select the time zone. After that we can create workspace. So we have the onboarding flow. We can connect our Gmail and Google Calendar. So let's set this up quick. Click continue. So this is the test version. Now let's connect our calendar. We can sync or disconnect that. We can also change the account that we have connected to. And also we have AI integrations which I'll show after we've into the dashboard. Now here's the contact form. So it comes with the name and email fields pre-defaulted. So I'll add new extra fields to this. You can make it required, add a placeholder, change the type of the field and etc. Similarly for contact form. And for this also we can change the type of the message and stuff, make it required or not, and can make the same changes. These are the links that of the contact forms. We'll get to that later. First let's save these and let's move to the next step. Here we have to create a new service. So this is the initial consultation, initial service. We can set the time of the service and in-person meeting or consultation. Then we can create the service. After creating the service, here we can select which of the days that we are available. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, thus we can take them all and set the starting and end dates, timings, and also buffer between two sessions and intervals between them. And the date exceptions are like we can add like holidays or stuff in between as exceptions. Like we can select exceptions, or we can select the whole day or block a specific time range and customers etc. We can add exceptions for each service. Now after creating all this, let's move to the next one. So here this is the template for all the forms that we create. Let's create so here the forms will be triggered automatically when the customer makes a booking. So we can connect or link this to services. So let's give a name, then create the template. So we have created the template here. Let's go to next. We can, this is the inventory management, so we can add stuff to the inventory. We can set the quantity and low stock thresholds and add to inventory. So we can manage the gloves like this. We can quickly adjust or custom adjustments and edit the details and stuff. Next is the staff management. So you can set the password and stuff for the staff. You can manage the roles of the staff too and also remove them. After this, our workspace is pretty much completed and we can activate a workspace. We'll be taken to the dashboard. Here we have the analytics and stuff. We can manage the staff. The public flow setup is basically the services, templates, and the public fields. Also this is the trigger that I mentioned, like we can connect template forms to services. So this will be automatically sent after booking has been for that specific service. So let's connect that. Then we have the integration section. Here we can sync our integrations and disconnect them and stuff. We can also turn on AI integrations for the email services. So I've turned that on. Here this is the inventory management also. Now let's look at the staff flow. Here so here in the staff login we can see we have inbox, bookings and public flow setup, same as the other one. We can manage and stuff, and the forms and inventory. So let's try the two links, the booking form and contact form link. So these are the two links. So let's create a booking form link. Let's So this links we can attach to in our websites and stuff, so people can select. So here this is currently 15th, that is the Sunday. So here we have selected in the services that we've set Sunday as a closed day, so that's why it's showing not available. If we select another date, let's say Monday, so the slots are available. We can select a slot, maybe 12:30, then name, provide the email, and confirm the booking. So the booking is confirmed, so we'll receive an email here regarding the booking. So we'll have an intake form also generated automatically, that we have connected, so we can complete that also. We can attach a document or something to this. We can also give our name and stuff. So that's completed. Now if we check here, we can see the booking that we have created. We can change the status of the booking, and regarding the forms, so the forms details are here, and we can view the document that they've uploaded. And next is regarding the, yeah, this is the section where we can see the conversation between them. Let's say I want to send a message. So we can use AI to improve the message and send that. So here if we check, here the new updated message is there. And also for bookings we have the calendar invite, so it will be sent as an invite also to them. And regarding the consultation or the contact form, here we have the public link for the contact form. We can also attach that to our website, so here users can access that. Here I'm gonna give a new email. So let's send this mail. The message has been sent, and here if we check at the inbox, this is the new message. So this is the AI generator. Thank you for your interest in investing in our company. We appreciate your time and stuff. We can reply back also to this. Use AI to improve that message and stuff. So here if we check, we can see here the email and stuff, everything set. So that's our application. Mostly all features are working. We can manage all these features here, add services, etc. So that's all. Thank you.